We are Muskogee. It all started with 3 rivers. We are proud. An important trading post emerged. A city born of commerce and Indian heritage. We are diverse. With the railroad came brave entrepreneurs who gave life to this town of diverse cultures. We are resilient. Fires, tornadoes, floods, nor drought could keep this rising city from becoming one of the nation's most vital and productive manufacturing regions. We are risk takers. Our ancestors captured the true spirit of entrepreneurship and took risks to create what have become some of the biggest leaders in their industries. We are visionaries. Visionaries paved the way for the development of the waterway and the Port of Muskogee, which connected this small inland town to markets around the globe. We are connected. Located within the heart of America and uniquely positioned to provide industry access to major interstates, air, rail, and barge transportation, Muskogee grew to attract some of the world's largest manufacturers. We are innovators. From food and beverage processors to paper and packaging goods to major suppliers of oil and gas markets, Muskogee's manufacturers are always working to build the next wave of innovation. We are inspiring dreamers. Manufacturing is embedded in our culture. It's in our DNA. And in Muskogee, we are working to inspire the next generation of dreamers. They are our future doers, the go-getters, the ones who will transform tomorrow's ideas into reality. We are made in Muskogee.